How's it going, everybody? Today I wanted to talk about your business's workers' compensation insurance heading into 2025 and wanted to see if your premium is decreasing or not for this coverage. Because if it isn't going down, it should be. And in this video, I'm going to discuss why. Thank you for stopping by. My name is Brian. I'm an independent insurance agent based here in the state of Michigan, Metro Detroit specifically, and I work with businesses on their commercial insurance programs as well as helping families and individuals with their personal insurance, their home, their auto insurance as well. My goal with this channel is to pass on a little bit of educational information to you so that you can make more informed decisions around your insurance, whether it's for yourself, your business, or your family, and then overall help answer any questions that you might have. So let's get into it. And before we get too far into the video, I do want to invite you to subscribe to the channel. And if you find this video helpful, useful, anything like that, please feel free to like and share it with anyone else as well. Right now, workers' compensation insurance is one of the few lines of business insurance where the rates have actually been decreasing. So why is that? Simply put, it's been profitable for the insurance companies. The claims and losses for workers' comp have been much lower and less severe than other lines of coverage like commercial property, commercial auto, and general liability. So with this profitability, the insurance companies are able to underwrite a bit more aggressively for workers' comp compared to other coverages, and especially for well-run businesses with clean claims records. Another reason rates have been going down for this coverage is safer workplaces as a whole. Advances in safety practices, a bit stricter regulations in certain areas where it makes sense, and technology advances like increased automation have all played a role in the frequency and severity of claims going down. And businesses that have embraced some of these things could even see potentially greater savings. Now, what if your workers' comp premium isn't decreasing? There could be a few reasons why. For one, businesses in higher risk industries might not see the savings and rate reductions just simply due to the inherent risk and nature of their work. Also, if you are a growing business and your payroll is just continuing to increase and go up, that means your workers' comp premiums will probably follow. This can typically be a good problem for your business to have because increasing payrolls typically means that your business is growing. But that does mean that your workers' comp premiums will increase with that as well. One of the biggest reasons that you might not be seeing a reduction in workers' comp premium is if you have a history of claims and your experience modification factor is high. Your experience mod is a measure of your claims history compared to others in your industry, and a higher mod means higher premiums. I've made a couple other videos on my channel going more into depth, and I'll include them in the description below. But overall, keeping claims under control is very key. So what are some ways that you can lower your workers' comp premium? First is going to be claims management. Reporting and resolving claims as quickly as you can help minimize their impact on your future premiums. Then is to make sure that you have the right safety programs and risk management protocols in place within your organization. Investing in proper safety training and the right prevention measures not only keeps your employees safer, but again, can help your bottom line by bringing the premiums down. And then next would be to evaluate the insurance marketplace for your business. See what options are out there in terms of insurance companies, especially considering how competitive some companies can be. It's definitely worth looking into what other options are out there. And the next would be to make sure that you have discounts added onto your policy where it does apply, such as if you have a safety program in place, if you're a drug-free workplace, things like that can add discounts to your policy. One more thing to keep in mind with all of this, just like any other type of business, insurance markets go in cycles. So while workers' comp is in a favorable soft market right now, other lines of coverage like property and auto are experiencing rate increases. So right now is a great time to take advantage of the potential savings that you could have around workers' comp to offset those increases in the other lines of coverage. And finally, I always recommend doing an annual review of your workers' comp policy. Make sure that you're auditing your payroll that your employees are classified correctly, and that overall your coverage fits your operations. Misclassifications or outdated information could potentially cost you money. So thank you for watching, and as you can see, there are a lot of factors that go into workers' comp premiums and everything of that nature. So if you are looking for help with this coverage or your commercial insurance program as a whole, I would love the opportunity to work with you and see if our team can help. There are a lot of ways to get a hold of me, and they should all be in the description below. Please feel free to text, call, email, fill out a contact form, whatever is easiest. And if you have any other questions about insurance, please feel free to leave them in the comments below or reach out directly, whatever is easiest. So thank you again.